Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Kotlin on Windows 10. So Kotlin is a cross-platform general purpose programming language developed by JetBrains. Now let's see how we can download it. Go to the browser. We are using Chrome, you can use any browser. Now here in type Kotlin and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. That means kotlinlang.org. Click on it. On clicking, now let's click on get started. Now herein you can see getting started with Kotlin and different ways are visible. Now we need to click on working with the command line compiler. After reaching the working with the command line compiler section, here is the downloading link for compiler. You just need to click on GitHub releases. So the current version is Kotlin 1.4.20. So we will download the compiler. Go to the bottom. Here all the releases are visible. Now we will download the zip file for Kotlin. Click on it to download. On the left bottom you can see Kotlin is downloading. So guys, we have downloaded the Kotlin compiler, the zip file. Right click here, show in folder. So guys, here it is. Now I'll right click and extract here. Now we have got our Kotlin compiler file. Copy it. Now let's go to C drive. Program files, you can also save it here, but I'll save it to program files because I'm having all the softwares there itself. Click on paste. Continue to give the permission. Now we have saved the Kotlin compiler. Now double click and go to bin. Right click and let's copy this. We will set the path now, minimize. Go to start and type environment variables. Click on edit the system environment variables. From here under system properties, go to advanced tab. Click on environment variables. Now here let's go to path. Remember this is for only Amit user variables for Amit, and system variables means for the entire system. So it's a good habit to always set path for entire system, that is system variables. From here double click. Now click on new and set the new path. Right click and paste. Click on OK. Now we have set the path. You can double click and check here. Here it is. Here's the path for Kotlin. OK. Click on OK and the last OK for saving it. Now guys, we have successfully installed Kotlin compiler. If you still want to verify, go to start. Type cmd. Click on it to open command prompt. Now guys, here type Kotlin -version. Press enter. Now here it is. If you remember, we downloaded 1.4.20 version and installed it. So the same is visible here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Kotlin on Windows 10. If you liked the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.